Okay, time for a little bit of a palette cleanser this morning. I'm not going to keep going with the gRPC thing right now. Instead, you might notice a little bit of an upgrade to my stream here. I got my green screen happening in the back, which of course you can't see because it's see-through. And I got a little ticker streaming along the bottom there. And so what I want to do is I want to take my Monster Cat track that's playing and put it down the bottom. Let's turn this up a little bit. So here's my Monster Cat playlist, and then I want to grab the currently playing track out of this playlist, which I can get from here, and put it along the bottom of the screen down here. So to do that, I found this OBS WebSocket, which is a plugin for OBS. You put it in OBS and then you can get a WebSocket server in there. And then I found this OBS WebSocket JS, which is the front end for it, so you can write JavaScript code to interact with it. So we're starting to get on the verge of meta, because now it's like a live streaming coding channel about coding for live streaming coding channels. Yes! Ultimate Inception. Okay, so let's do this. That one, same as that one. Okay, cool. So this is top to bottom, as usual. This is not one of those, here's one I prepared earlier. This is like, I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm gonna figure it out live on camera. So a new repository, we'll call it the Monster Cat. Monster Cat. OBS stream. Connector. Add your currently playing track. From monstercat.com to your OBS stream. That's it. Alright. Now, of course, it's going to be a public repo because we're all about the open source. Initialize with a README. Yes. Add a get ignore for node. Yeah. Create the repo. Yes. Clone or download, open in desktop. Clone it to my local file system. And then let's see if I can open it. Let's see if I can open it in this window without losing the stream. Oh, hang on. Let's shut down the broker first. Okay. Now I'm interested to see if you can still see this window after I open a new thing on it. Workspace, Monster Cat. Open. And looks like you can still see it. Cool. Okay. Terminal. Open a new terminal. Dun 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 dun. Okay. I'm gonna fix that error message because it's technical debt. 18, so Control V all my way down, Control C. That's right at the bottom. So it looks like it's a configuration problem. This is getting set somewhere. No doubt in my ZSH file. I discovered I can do that the other day. Okay, so it's here, but is it anywhere else? Control W for spaceship. Pretty sure I am using the spaceship theme. Control W to find it again. There it is there. Okay, so I think, yes. If I now source my ZSH file again, spell it correctly. Source. What is the magical combination of keys I need to press to get that character? That's it. Gotta press three keys to get that. Oh man. Okay, here we go on another digression. I'm using ZSH and I've got a new machine. Install plugin. How to do it like a pro, that's a good idea. Like a pro, like a boss. Install that, yep, change that, yep. Maybe I have not installed plugins. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Oh, randomly cutting and pasting code from the internet. What could go wrong? This one. You know, horrible things can go wrong when you cut and paste code from the internet, but after a while you kind of get a good sense of what code you should cut and paste and which ones you should not. Okay. I wonder how I install that spaceship theme. Well, it is installed, so... What happens if I do this? I think my new keyboard is coming today. And then let's try sourcing that. It didn't work. Let's go back to the nano command. And let's find spaceship again. DHS theme there, so we didn't set it. Okay, where else is it set? Whatever. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Okay, let's actually do this. Monstercat.com. Monstercat OBS Connector. Monstercat.com. Let's make this thing an actual link to monstercat.com. HTTPS monstercat.com. Let's get rid of this. Monstercat.com. Okay. Yep, so it's pretty easy for me to get this name of the currently playing track by querying for the element that has the class scroll title, get the inner text. Okay, so let's follow some readmes here. Okay, this is the JS WebSocket. First we'll npm init this thing, and then we'll accept the defaults. Then we'll install the WebSocket package by cutting and pasting code from the internet. We cut and paste that. Here's what it does. So npm init -y created this package JSON, and then when we install it, added it as a dependency in Node. Okay. Cut and paste. I'm just going to do a Node to begin with, and then we're going to, oh, I know what we're going to do. Oh, we have to do this. We have to do this. npm I, TypeScript. God, I can't believe that I'm using yesterday's TypeScript today. 3.7 beta dropped yesterday, and it's got optional chaining. Oh my god, we have to use it. So let's see, using TypeScript, 3.7 with VS Code. Oh yeah, I think we just go, actually yeah, we just do this, we just click down the bottom, behind my picture of me is like this 3.62, and then we just say use the workspace version. Yes. Okay, let's make magic happen. Okay. Super secret password. I think I made it duct tape. It is now. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we connect, and then what? All requests support the two syntax options. I'm going to go back here so you can see it. Where error and data will contain the raw response from the WebSocket plugin. Okay, so this is callbacks, like it's the 90s. Note that all response objects will supply both the original OBS WebSocket response items in their original format, but also camel case for convenience. Beautiful. Request name must exactly match what's defined by the OBS WebSocket plugin. Args are optional. Request type message ID bound automatically. Use callbacks instead of promises. Use the send callback. Oh yeah, promises. We'll use promises instead of send. Okay, civic duty time. Also get your GitHub's karma up. Oh, it's a tiny thing, isn't it? However, ta-da! Minor spelling fix, and thanks for making this. You rock. Done. Dun dun dun. How many people are using free open source software that other people are maintaining and then just like never even say thanks? I don't have time to contribute to open source. I'm too busy doing my day job. Yeah, using software other people have written, and you're like, oh well, thanks. Or you don't say thanks. It's always good to be grateful. Okay, there's a few
The most bizarre.
Okay, so when was the last commit on this? 2 years ago, 6 months ago, 4 months ago. 4 months ago. Okay. I might be able to fix some of this stuff in here, but in the meantime, just to get started with, let's build something with it. Promise API. Yes. So we're going to connect. Well, let's just try running that and see what happens. I have TS node indexed to T. So I don't have to transpile, it just transpiles and runs it for me. I'd say we're connected and nothing's happening. Good. This returns a promise. Lambda. Wah. You know what? It needs to be right there. Where it is on the Dvorak keyboard. What I did with my Pro 2 keyboard is I bound some of the Dvorak mappings that I like to a meta layer on the Colemak keyboard. I'm gonna do a stream about keyboards. Yeah, there you go. Now connected. Beautiful. Okay, let's send some stuff. So, can we do top level async await yet? Let's find out. Nope, you can't. It's saying you can't do it. Or is it? No top level async await? Yeah. Okay. That's not a problem. We just create a new function called main. This is basically what I do every time when I need to use async await. Async function async await. Should do the same thing. If I invoke it. Ha 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 ha. Do a TSC init to get a TypeScript TS config. Try it again. Yeah, man. ES 2018. Can we do 2019 yet? Yes! ES 2019, dude. Program like it's the 20s. Type originates this import, name style, circle fate, runtime, default import, or import require here instead. Okay. I don't understand that error message or even really what it said, but I have a vague idea of what I can do to get rid of it, so I'm just gonna do that. Use that import style. Thank you, Anders Hosberg. Okay. Now, what we want to do is what? Get the scene list, available scenes, switch scenes. Yeah, okay, so what can you actually do? Let's do this. Dude, ain't nobody got time to write this. Hey, I think this is my keyboard. I'll be right back. Keep listening to the sounds. Oh, lucky day. I think this is it. Okay, I think this is my new keyboard. Keyboard unboxing. Two pieces. Huh, what'd I do then? Made the green screen disappear. Huh. Yep, split keyboard.
And beyond.
Oh yeah, it's a Koolertron. So here's half of it. Yeah, some cables and stuff. Key puller, yay. Micro USB. Oh, let's do this.
Above and beyond.
Can you feel it? The fire in your soul, leaping at the chance for love. Can you feel it? Haunting your senses, letting all your feelings go. But I can feel it, rushing through my veins. Love's the only drug I know. But we've been playing the hand now we're dead, so we can light it up. I know that we can make it through the night, but I can feel the fire inside, so there won't be no fear tonight. We crossed the line, and now it's clear to see the light behind the suffering. Believe we'll finally be free. Let the silhouette cast upon your heart, turning every little moment into scars. Baby, it's our chance to make a start, so we can fly.
I know that we will make it. I know that we will make it. I know that we will make it. I know that we.
Oh, it's a thing of beauty. It's got white backlight on it. Yes. See-through keys, white backlight. Doesn't have the light show that the N Pro 2 has on it. Okay, split keyboard. Oh my god. Okay, now my operating system says can't identify this. That one. Press the key immediately to the right of the shift on the left side, and then on this side. Let's have a look if these extra keys have got a Mac key in it. What are these? Some kind of bolts. Not sure what they're for. Koolertron. Instructions. We don't need no instructions. Okay, it's got a nice little brush that comes with it. This is the key puller. This is for pulling the keys off. So you can replace them with different ones. And when I say different, what I mean is better ones. DSA pudding, of course. Pudding caps. Now, here's a bunch of extra keys that come with it. Yeah, so I said to Op on Slack in the ZB Slack, hey, I'll do a stream about keyboards. Why did I switch to Dvorak? I don't know, man. I literally do not know. I just was like one day, hey, I'm going to go Dvorak, and I just went all in on Dvorak. I think it was July 2018. Switched all my keyboards over to Dvorak, got Dvorak working on my phone. So I was using a Dvorak on my phone, and did that for a year. And really had to fight against all of my muscle memory for QWERTY. Nah, there's no Mac key in here. Okay, I'm just going to have to keep the Windows key on there. Interesting. 9, page up. Okay. There's no rhyme or reason to these spare keys from what I can see. But none of them are what we're after. Down the rabbit hole of mechanical keyboards. So I did Dvorak for a year, and it has some really nice features to it, Dvorak does. So the way Dvorak is designed is you're meant to do like 36% of your typing on the home key row, which means the middle row, so your fingers stay in one place rather than going up or down. It's designed so that the vowels are on one side, so all the vowels are on the left hand, and then consonants on the right hand. And most words go like vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, so you're alternating between left and right hands, which means that you can't do like multi-hand rolls where you go like like that, because you have to go that's Dvorak. Okay, am I gonna, if I leave it set to QWERTY, it's just gonna force me to touch type Colemak, so let's do that. We're gonna use the Koolertron. The keyboard's been identified, done. Good, okay, let's go back to coding and see how this Koolertron thing actually performs. It takes up more space, dude. I bought a split keyboard, then I had to get a bigger desk. Huh. Oh.
I saw a shooting star last night and thought of you. But I woke up from a dream, you're not here. Had enough dreams for both of us. I wonder what will come of us. 'Cause now there's one in the city.
Back to coding. Okay, now I really have no idea what I'm doing.
There's one less star in the city. We found
Oh yeah, that's what I was doing.
we had a fight.
Oh no, now my macro keys don't work. We'll get used to it,
Would come of us if we could trade these ends for beginnings. I'm drinking from
Okay, so I was gonna alias console.log. Oh, no, that's a 0 on here. Oh, no, I turned caps lock on. Oh, dude, this is gonna be painful. No, it's not. It's gonna be delicious. That's the word I was looking for. Delicious. So yeah, I used Dvorak for a year, but the thing about Dvorak that doesn't work is that it was designed prior to coding. So, you know, if you're a typist, you are not going to be using... Wow. I think I might switch back to the AND Pro for this. Get some actual work done first, and then we'll mess around with the Koolertron later. Set it up and properly. But yeah, you don't have to do... You don't have to do curly braces. Greater than, less than. Plus equals, parentheses, with typewriting, like you do with this, you know, when you're coding. So it was designed for a different environment, different use case. Ta-da! There are my scenes. So I got VS Code, which is what you're looking at now. There's main plane, which is... And then there's Chrome, which is... There's one. Okay, that's cool. So we can get the scene list. What else can we do with it? Let's have a look. Wow. Building license. Not a lot of start streaming, send streaming. Wow, this is cool. I could write a whole node project for this. Could put a web front end. Switch scenes. Method definitions. So you got to align the method calls with the plugin versions that you want to support. Well, that's a little bit problematic. It means that there's a WebSocket network boundary with no typing across it. So these are arbitrary strings that you send over the network to get stuff done, which means I can't inspect or introspect the code to find out what it is. I'll have to look in here. Docs. Generated protocol. Ta-da! Authentication, sure. Here we go. Events, transitions, streaming, recording, replay, other. Outputs. Profiles. Sources is really what I'm after. Sources! Get the sources list. Let's try this. Rename to sources list. Okay, cool. So, where I want to put it is I want to put it into this tagline. Tagline is where it is. The text ft2 source. Free type 2. Okay. Are we able to mutate the source though? Yes. Set source settings. So, let's try get source settings first.
Whatever
to the happiness. Do what you want to get it back for us. You take your time, then let me know.
Request fields.
Stay or if you wanna go. I know you have difficulty knowing me, but you
Oh,
have difficulty showing
it does have typings on it.
just need to
Beautiful.
way.
Beautiful.
I'll take you on
Love it.
an adventure if you
Love it.
go. We're locked in
Documentation. Who needs it?
together, please just let me know. Won't you
Tagline, baby.
nice with me?
I'm after what?
You can be my everything, my everything.
Command C.
You can be my everything, my everything.
And there was another field. Source type. Oh, that's optional. Don't worry about that.
You can be my everything, my everything. You can be my everything.
Ta-da! Look at that. See, here's the text here. Twitter, Cedar Putty, github.com, jwolf. So now what we need to do is use set source settings. Varies between source types, may need some probing around. I think we just did that. Dude, this is epic. Epic.
We haven't got unlimited time.
So,
Sun is out.
according to my calculations, we should just need to do this.
Falling for lust, we're falling through everything.
Await obs.send source,
Usually the summer's getting closer.
set source,
Feel like we are getting
send.
older.
Ah.
Show me what you have to bring. I'll take
TypeScript, you gotta love it.
adventure if
Here we go.
to go. We're locked in places, sing together. Please just
Oh yeah, okay. Set source settings.
with
Yeah. Source name. But anyway, let's use the autocomplete.
everything.
Yay!
Be my everything.
So it's the tagline.
Won't you synchronize with me? You can be my everything, my everything.
Source settings, right?
Everything, my everything.
And then we just do this. Refactor. Extract to constant in module scope. And then we'll call it, I don't know what you call that. Ticker. Ticker base. And then we just do this. Like a boss! So,
Won't you
ES6 template literal strings.
with me? You can be my everything, my everything. You can be my everything.
And then we say, now playing. I mean, later we wire in getting the track dynamically, right?
You can be my everything.
My everything.
You can be my everything, my everything.
Close the template string.
Whatever happened
Nope,
to
I
the
did close the
happiness?
template string.
Do what you want to get it back
that?
for us. You take your time, then let me know if you wanna stay or if you wanna go. I know you have difficulty knowing me, but you don't have difficulty showing me that we just need to get away.
Did that work?
Take you on
Let's have a look.
an adventure if you want to go.
Windowed projector program.
Places sing together.
Oh yeah.
Just let me
Oh yeah. We have the technology. We can make this happen, man. We can make it happen.
my everything,
That's so cool.
my everything.
So cool.
everything.
Okay.
Nice with me. You can be my everything, my everything. You can be my everything, my everything.
Isn't that just the coolest thing? Technology is awesome, man. Love it. Love it.
We haven't got unlimited time. Sun is out and you get to your prime. We're falling for love, we're falling for lust, we're falling through everything.
Ta-da!
Summer's getting closer. We don't feel like we are getting older. So show me
Let's make it a little faster, hey?
what to bring. I'll take you on the wild adventure if you want to go.
Scrolling along. Now, I wonder what happens when I switch scenes.
Just let me know. Won't you
Let's see.
nice with me? You can be my everything, my everything. You can be my everything, my
Let's try it.
everything. Won't you nice with me? You can be my everything, my everything. You can be my everything, my everything.
Oh, so good, man. Oh man, this is amazing. This is what I love about JavaScript. It's the one true full stack language because I'm about to stick this into my browser. Okay. Lib? No, dist. That's what we need.
Won't you
Okay, well, let me show you how we do this.
You can be my
We're gonna use Tamper Monkey. Haha. Create a new script. Oh, Tamper Monkey, I love you. Monster Cat. Anything on monstercat.com. First thing we're gonna do, bam, stick the WebSocket in there. Whatever. My everything.
You can be my everything, my everything.
Let's grab this. Whack this in here. But then the other thing that we need to do is if we go back to here, is we got to grab this. This is how we get the actual name of the track.
I can hardly believe it. Never thought we would start this rolling stone. Don't know where I'm going, but I know that I'm better off alone. Feel the weight and it's pulling me under.
Well, let's save this and see what happens.
Started strong, but the distance grew on.
How do I rename this thing here? Monster Cat to OBS.
I just wanna be free. No, I don't wanna fall.
Save.
'Cause I know
Now.
fine just to say our goodbye. I just wanna be
The thing is, it's only ever going to do it once, right? So we need it to do it multiple times. So we should do this,
me.
right? Set interval.
Never thought we would
Let's make this a little bit bigger for your viewing pleasure.
looking back, how could we ever know
Set interval.
we're going?
So while we're on the page,
I know that we're bad.
every 3 seconds, we're going to run this.
Feel the weight and it's pulling me under.
Tab doesn't work on that. Anyway, we don't even need to await that little bad boy, because we don't care about the,
I just wanna be me.
and then we can go
I just wanna be free.
here.
No, I don't wanna fight, 'cause I know we'll be fine. Just to say our goodbye. I just wanna be me.
Okay, needed the semicolon.
I just wanna be me.
This is actually how I got into programming in JavaScript. I was like, man, I need that button to be somewhere else. And there was a developer at Red Hat called Darren Meissen. He was like a Ruby on Rails guy. He used to say, I'm not really a developer, I just play one on TV, because he was a technical writer.
Just to say our goodbye.
No, he would say, I'm not really a
I just wanna be.
I'm not really a JBoss developer, I just play one on TV. So I went to Darren and asked, how do I move this button? And he showed me how to do it with jQuery, and that was it. I was done. I was like, what? You mean I can fix the internet on my computer? So we're not using that's why it didn't work.
I just wanna be me.
I wonder if we could declare it as async up here.
I got it bad for a girl like you. You can tell me that you want me to. I want you bad.
Which means that we can await it here. Yay!
Been on the look for a stunner like you.
Now connected to OBS.
I want you bad.
Scroll, query.
There's no need to be alone.
Now,
I just wanna be there for you. I could think a million things we do, baby, me and you.
so what we do in here is we just say, okay, if the current track is not the same as the previous track, double equals.
Just wanna kick it with you.
Same type and same value. Okay. If it's not the same track, send the new track and store the previous track
I got it bad for a girl like
so that we don't do it again until the track changes.
me too. I want you bad. Yeah.
Finish that.
Feeling my heart and it's cutting too.
And we'll do it every
The way you do.
1 second. Why not? Let's go back here. Actually, let's put some little bit of logging in here.
Alone. I just wanna be there for you. I could think a million things we do, baby, me.
So here we should say
Yeah.
ARST
Just
NEIOLE
get with you.
console.log
Just wanna kick it with
templated string. Changing track in OBS to oh, here's another problem with Dvorak is you can no longer do cut and paste with a single hand. If you just have command,
you. There's no need to be alone.
yeah, command is like down here, and then C and V are like over here. So with the QWERTY keyboard and Colemak, it's Command C or Control C, Control V. And what that is that the shortcuts for cutting and pasting code were developed to make it easy to cut and paste things on a QWERTY keyboard. So cutting and pasting is a development that came after the Dvorak keyboard was invented, and it was optimized for QWERTY. Save. Let's hit refresh on the page. Is it going to remember where I was up to? Is it going to keep playing? Nope. Well, we were listening to World, Everything. So it was one of these. Kick it. So let's try this. Changing check and OBS to Conroe. Did it work? Let's see.
I still remember how it used to be. Holding hands, running wild and free.
I am a god. Lightning comes from my fingertips and changes reality. Programming is a magic power. Magic is a power that enables ordinary people to make impossible things happen by saying special words. Look at that. I've now got my, so good. Some Tampa Monkey script. The node doesn't need to be running because it's just all browser based plus a plugin in OBS. I love it. This is great.
I remember you.
I think I can make that a little bit faster, that scroll, huh? Tagline. Double click it. So good. Filters. So good. Okay, let's generalize the code a little bit more, right? So update your ticker in your OBS stream. With the currently playing track from monstercat.com. Author. Let's get GitHub famous. Josh Wolf. Put my Magic Craft email in here. Massive shout out to Brendan Hagen. Okay. So, we should set some constants in here. We don't need that.
When times are down, you know I'll be with Yeah, times are rough, this time I see it too. All this bullshit drama, I can see right through.
Const OBS
Body wants something they can,
WebSocket
so they gon' put it on you.
plugin password
Wherever you go,
equals.
you can take me there.
So double quotes.
Ocean, I can see it's
Use the semicolons.
Let's run away and be forever young. We'll catch the sun where there's no need to run. Wherever you go, yeah, you can take me there. Yeah, you can take me there. Yeah, you can take me there. Yeah, you can take me there.
Semicolon. Put this in here.
I see you and you see me too.
I think that's good.
We may be broke, but we see the truth.
Copy that code. Let's go back here and
All this bullshit drama, I
where are we
can
up
see
to?
right through.
Conroe, take me there.
Everybody wants something.
Reload the page. Let's just make sure it still works. Now playing nothing on monstercat.com. So if there is nothing, then we should take it out. Good plan. Next track. It's pretty cool how the OBS ticker doesn't jank or, yeah, just keeps scrolling smoothly. Even though it's been updated. Don't know how they did that. It's pretty smart. So we'll make this a ternary. If there is a current track, yeah, that goes here. Or just display the ticker base. Dude, this is epic. Okay, let's copy this user script. Go back to our project. And then we'll make one called tampermonkey.js. Oh. Ta-da. Better change that. Read me. Okay. I don't know what you call this, a plugin? Connector, yeah. Tamper monkey. So you can display it in your stream. So cool. Let's wait till it gets a nice one on the screen. I'll take a screenshot. Okay, so open the link in the new tab. Tamper monkey. Ooh, a beta. What does that do? Breaks everything that was already working. Haha, that's what it does. I must install it. I cannot resist. I feel like I'm living in the past. I'm not running the beta version. Download. I had to do it. I couldn't help myself. I was out of date. Do it. Oh, it looks so much better. How did I ever use the old one? I just can't understand it. Oh, look, it's so much better. Code mirror editor. Imagine if they put Monaco in here, that'd be sick. So let's go here, and then Tamper monkey, old school. Create a new script. How do I get my scripts out of my old one? Dashboard. Monster Cat to OBS. Edit. Okay, I definitely broke it. Luckily, I have one here. Let's go to the beta one. The new one. The new hotness. Put in my ultra secure password that I'm just putting on the internet for everyone to see. Duct tape. Yeah, that's it. File. Save. Go to the old one. The old one. I can't believe I ever used this. It's like I was living in the past. Anonymous. Let's refresh this page and see if this new Tamper Monkey script works. Anonymous. Beautiful. Okay. Read me. Okay. So. To use. First you got to install the OBS WebSocket plugin.
As I float along, ghost upon a hill. None of this is real, I'm waiting for the sun to come up. I'm anonymous, feel as if I'm sleeping under.
So you got to install the WebSocket plugin. And then install Tamper Monkey to your browser. WebSockets server plugin. Well, let's go next level on this thing.
I will carry on, going through the motions, and the time is lost, walls are closing in. How did I
Taking a screenshot of that.
still
So I go to my desktop where the screenshots are, and then let's drag it and drop it into images.
through the clouds I see it.
Yay! Give it a better name.
Gotta open my eyes, open my eyes. It's beautiful.
Things that have pictures in them are more attractive to people, and they have more kind of
Gotta open
like what's the word, like
it's beautiful.
they're more trustworthy. You know, if they're like, oh, should I do this? If they see pictures there, they're like, okay, I'll try it. Wall of text, they're just like, nah. Next thing you need to do is create a new Tamper Monkey script. Now I'm not going to tell them how to do that. I'm going to find out where Tamper Monkeys let's find Tamper Monkey's instructions on that. You can automatically script updates, so there must be some way I can make my script available for people to get updates. Tesla. built-in editor. Enable file access and require the local copy of your script. Oh my goodness, I can edit in, oh my goodness, so good. I can edit it in Node. In, what's this thing called? Visual Studio Code. Wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. I wonder how I host my script for people. Is there an easy way? Let's have a look. Is there a way for me to add developer, insert constructor? No, installed user scripts, homepage. Ah. Well, let's do this. Let's set the homepage for the script to this. Save that. Go back here. Yes, and that'll take me there. Good. Features. Settings. Utilities. Install from URL. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, well this would be way better if they can install it from a URL. And they would need to just configure it then. In that case, let's do this. Let's go here. And package JSON, nope. README. Definitely the Tampa monkey. And this. Call this the initial commit. Meal ready to eat, man. We want to deliver this thing hot and ready to eat for people. So if I go to my installed user scripts now, click on my homepage, go here, and then we're going to go to the raw. Yep, on the master branch. So if I go here and say add a user script, nope. No, utilities, install from URL, install. Oh, so good, so good. Install. Go to my installed user scripts. Why that? Well, let's trash that. Okay. What? Trash that. Okay. No script is installed. Utilities. Install. Install. Installed user scripts. Refresh the page. Yes. Okay. So good. So, open the Tampa monkey. Settings. In your browser. Click on utilities. Paste into the install. From URL. Okay, we do have a little issue here because whenever we update it, we're going to overwrite their settings. What happens if we go
Just make it through another day. As these dark clouds will go away.
Now what happens if we say add, turn that one off. I'll probably turn that one off too. Add configuration to Tamper Monkey script. Oh, look at this. Tamper Monkey. Monkey config. Oh, this is next level, man. I love it. I love it. Here we go. See? For personal use, I just have a bunch of variables at the top of the script. That's what I'm doing. The problem here is that if anyone else uses my script, an update ends up erasing its preferences. Beautiful. Monkey config. Let's try this one. Oh dude, see, I'm going to level up my internet modification game out of this. I'm going to be modifying the internet like crazy. Okay. Installed user scripts. Edit.
I was all alone.
Not sure what Grant is, but whatever.
And you showed up.
Monkey con. Yeah, okay, I did that. Then call this to construct a configuration object. Copy.
Where do we go from?
Oh, this is beautiful. I love it. I love it. Ta-da! Monster Cat Connector. What am I calling it? I'm calling it, Monster Cat OBS Connector. Menu command true. So,
I saw you all alone. Your eyes match the weather.
B.
Raining under pressure.
What are the types? Neither of those. I need like a,
Go, so let's get away from here.
let's have a look. So, what types are there? Types. Find select. That was one of the types. Here we go. Number, custom, checkbox, select.
Let's get away from here.
Okay. Maybe it's a custom?
Strangers found, lost in time.
Well, let's try custom and see what happens.
The hourglass takes us further from here. Strangers found, lost in time. Whether we know
That's cool. Monkey config's not defined, but it should be. Save.
takes us further from
Now what happens if I go to, I don't know, installed user scripts? Settings. Check for updates. Beautiful. But where's my where does it show up? Let's have a look. Go back. Yeah, tell your user script to use it. Yep, and call it to construct your configuration object. That's pretty much it. Also adds a menu to the script commands menu. So, the script was deleted. Rerun. Edit. Setting. Updates. Comment details. Nope. Let's see if it still actually works. I don't know what we were listening to then. Try this one. Oh, that was the one we were listening to. Okay, good. This one, Chasing Daylight. Doesn't look like it's running anymore. Probably because...
Keep everything that spills out of the dark locked up behind
Yeah.
your lips. It's blooming,
Okay, so where does it...
but apart like secrets that
These are missing.
slip.
So, let's have a look at this.
So in the spotlight,
Not found. Bummer.
stars inside, chasing the daylight.
8 years ago. Okay.
I don't care, I don't care. We're out after midnight.
This is real out of date, this thing. When was this Stack Overflow answer from? 2017, so... Monkey config homepage. Open. This guy's server is like... out of disk space. Unmaintained. That's cool.
You're
Star it anyway.
glowing like the
Issues.
writing on the wall. I finally meet you again. We're
It's cool. Save does not work on Tampa Monkey.
to the moon, painted trails where we've been. Shadow in the spotlight, no stars inside.
Oh,
Daylight,
but that's cool. There's a patch for it at least.
we're out after midnight.
Probably better to use this guy's branch in that case.
Out after midnight.
Okay, I'm gonna fork this guy's branch. Open source at its finest. It's unmaintained, but that doesn't matter because we are gonna make it work. And when I say we, I mean random people on the internet. So if I go back to my editor, and then instead of requiring his one, I'm gonna require my one. Yes. Now. November 2017. Okay, I need to merge it into that branch. Pull request.
I wished upon a star last night and thought of you.
Okay, I'll merge that patch into my master branch.
Are not here.
Ta-da! So if I go back here,
I've never been one
my master is now...
fairy tales of fantasy, but perhaps it's time for a change of mind. There's a first for everything. Oh, we fell in love, had a fun. You
Did that just... Did I...
dreams for both of us? Wonder
Oh.
what would come of us if we could trade these.
What's that X mean? All checks have failed. Sure. Confirm the merge. I mean, I could have tested it against the branch, but whatever. And then I just go back to here. And then I'm using my master, monkey config. Okay, so that should work. Let's just save that. And then he hosted the images on his web server rather than... No. This is... They're in GitHub, supposedly. So, if I now go back to my... let's clean up a little bit here. Settings. Creates a settings dialog for it. Where does it put it? Monkey config. Menu command true. Well, now there's one less star in the city. I can't keep living without you, but I'll wait someday. Okay, gotta grant more permissions. Save. Let's go back, reload the page. It's going to reload everything. Configuration. Beautiful. Okay. Very good, very good. That was one less star. Let's go to Midnight Underground. Let's go back here. Now, the type is not custom, it's something else. Yeah, we don't need to use this one. It's pretty cool. J-Wolf. How am I doing for time? Good. Monster Cat OBS Connector. Yeah. What was I doing? Why did I come here? That's not where I wanted to be. Ah, yeah, okay. Let's go here. We want to look inside the source code and find out what's the setting that we need to use. Check if there's a stored value. You know what we can do? Because I don't want to keep messing with my... This is gonna... It's not gonna mess with the sound, but it's gonna mess with the ticker, probably. So if I go to the configuration in here, okay, now we just edit in here and say this is text. Let's try that. Reload the page. Yeah, baby. Okay. We have it. So, we need that. We need the ticker base. Nope. Here. Put them in like a logical order. So the address should go first because maybe they don't have a password. Nullable. And then the last thing is the OBS text element. It's a pity you can't do, maybe you can do like a hint or something, a description. Let's have a look. Here we go. Render the buttons, okay. Oh, no, those are the buttons. This is why I like TypeScript, because now I'm just like trawling through here trying to analyze the code. HTML, yeah. Label, checkbox, custom number select. Text. Okay, so have a look. If it's text, it's gonna render the name.
Is this what I've been waiting for?
Label, field.
Feeling a little too comfortable.
What I'm trying to find here is if there's a way for me to put
I think it might be the perfect time.
configuration. Well, let's just save this one here.
Tasting my own
Go back here. It says how you pull them back out is you got to go.
from places I've never
How do you get the values back out? Here we go. GM get.
colors I've never seen. From places
Monkey patching. That's where this comes from. I see.
in colors I've never seen. Colors that I've never seen. Colors that I've never seen.
No. Okay, and then it's just text string.
Colors that I've never
Arbitrary strings for the win. That's the ticker base.
Colors that I've never seen. Colors that I've never seen. Is this what I was hoping for? To live by my uncertainty principles. Cause I think it might be the perfect time.
Your configuration does not go here.
Yeah, to let my head and my heart decide.
Save. Reload the page. Reloads. Tamper monkey. Configuration.
In colors I've never seen. From
Save.
places I've never been. In colors I've never seen.
And then let's go down to
Colors that I've never seen.
think about you. Stop this one playing.
I just need time to clear my head.
Okay. Hang on, I gotta reload the page because I had not set the password. That one was Think About You? I don't know, yeah. Yes. It works. So if we go here, configuration. Love it.
I've been thinking about things that we said. And I've been
Screenshot this little bad boy for the docs.
thinking about you.
Done.
Are we just holding on?
So good. So good.
Still bruised, yeah. You mess me up, fuck me up, just can't stop, no. I told me I don't need nobody, but every night I'm feeling something for you, yeah. You mess me up, fuck me up, thinking about you. Thinking
Okay.
Thinking about you. Are we just satellites by the edge? Burning up, spinning round till an end.
Save. Okay, read me.
And I've been thinking about things that you said. Yeah, and I've been up all night lately, thinking about you, yeah. Are we just holding on? We're scared, still bruised, yeah. You mess me up, fuck me up, just can't stop, no. I told me I don't need
Okay, so we go to utilities. We're gonna install from URL. Install.
for you, yeah. You mess me up, fuck me up, thinking about you.
Yeah. Okay, so they're gonna click install.
I told me I don't need nobody, but every night I'm feeling something. I told me I don't need nobody, but every night I'm feeling something for you, yeah. You mess me up, fuck me up, thinking about you.
Text free type 2.
Tell me that you wanna try this out. Let you take over my mind now. I'm starting to break. I'm starting to break. I'm starting to break down. Watch all of my bones fall to the ground. You could be the one,
Just checking the filter type on here.
but I'm starting to break. I'm starting to break down. Break down. Break down. You could be the one now. Replaying your words there in my head. When you're not here, I'm stuck in bed. I'm starting to break. I'm starting to break. I'm starting to break down. Watch all of the bullets fall to the ground. You took a shot and I'm yours now. But I'm starting to break. I'm starting to break down, break down, break down, break down. Could be the one now.
Koolertron plugin loaded.
Could be the one now.
So image plugin loaded. PNG.
Buzz up, about to rip your face off.
Source element. Let's go back here and let's go. Let's pimp this for Monster Cat. Okay. Monster Cat. Monstercat.com. The Monster Cat is an awesome EDM publishing label that has a great relationship with streamers, gamers and streamers. For a very reasonable price, you can stream Monster Cat artists' music, and the music belongs to the artists. In your Twitch, YouTube streams. Monster Cat Gold program. Pogrom. Program. SVG. Beautiful. Ta-da! It's black, so we won't see it on here. Open broadcasting software. Popular streaming program, platform. Open broadcast software. Shout out to these guys. Do we want to go all in on this? Why not? Let's do this. In for a penny, in for a pound, as they say. Add source.png. So, how long have I been going for now? Nearly 2 hours. Okay. Catch a picture of it happening. It's gotta wait till it to scroll to the right part. And then there's one final piece to this whole thing that's the most important piece. You cannot miss this out. It's coming, it's coming. Oh no, right when it changes songs. Done. No. Let's do that again. Let's try that one. How's it look? Are we actually listening to No Taker Only in My Dreams? We are. Okay, that looks weird. Let's try the other one. I'm gonna go with that. The ghetto green screen, man. Love it. Yeah, okay. We'll use this one. Scrolling. Looks like I got caught mid-action there. It's cool. It's authentic. This one, staged. Goodbye. Joy. Share the love. Scrolling.png. Gotta do something about the lighting on my green screen to make it. They reckon that this green screen will flatten out over time after buying it. I mean, I got it the other day. It was like $50 on Amazon. LGTM push to production. Looks good to me. So, updated Tampa Monkey script. Oh. Yep. The README got updated. We don't need the node stuff. The images we gotta add.
Only in my dreams have I seen things.
Update docs. See, your code is no good if no one can use it. Like, it's just gonna sit there and rot. I did a thing, but if nobody can, let's have a look. OBS? OBS Studio. Is there a monster cat There is. Oh man, dude, we gotta get on this. Someone might have already done this. Tampa Monkey. Let's have a look at it. Yes. Okay, one thing we should do there is we should just add the straight up link to Monster Cat. Now, I'm also going to add a link to this stream once it gets published. I'll do that after. Add Monster Cat link. Let's do this. What have people already done with Monster Cat? Real-time visualizer. Rain meter. Spotify. Monster Cat website. Oh, Monster Cat have got their own GitHub. That's pretty cool. Monster Cat FM tools. Wow, this looks good. Monster Cat Connect API. OMG, we could probably just get it from the API. Monster Cat. Oh, dude. Monster Cat. Monster Cat next packages if you're real hardcore with the functional. Monster Cat browser. Monster Cat bot. Checks for new songs on Monster Cat Connect. Pretty cool. One more page. Monster Cat Bitcoin music store. Let's have a look at these. The Monster Cat website. Wow. It's pretty cool. Okay. Here we go, this looks good. Okay, I like it. Monster Cat Connect API. We'll get totally into this later. Monster Dog. See, there's no picture. If there was a picture here, I'd go, oh, I'm excited, but no pictures. Oh, look at this. This one looks amazing. Wow. I should put that at the top. The green screen looks better. get rid of this one. And use this one. That's better. Engineering as marketing. Okay. Pictures. Push. Okay, now for the most important thing. Here we go. Straight to the Twitters. From Monster Cat. Which? Pictures. No, I want it to display. That's cool. Wait. Yeah, that was very unfortunate what happened there. Very unfortunate. It's a wrap, folks. It's done. The Monster Cat connector is now live on my stream and on the internet. Doing it for yourself and doing it for others at the same time. Open source, that's all what it is all about. Developers scratching their own itch and, you know, making it available for others.
When it's coming at you.
Okay, now I'm going to add the stream into the README so I can be like, hey, if you want to see how I made this, watch me do it from scratch. And I really had no idea what I was doing. You saw me go all the way through. How long did that take? It's like 2 hours and 8 minutes. Alright, time for a break.